This is the elevator, the 2545 building, I think this is, I'm not really sure, at the 330A apartment homes in Upper St. Clair Township, Pennsylvania. It's Schindler 330A. From, I believe, 2015 or 16. I think they're all from around this time. There's like 9 of these here. Go up to 3, they're all 3 floors. Surprised if these buildings even have elevators. Here we go. There are 3. Back down to 1. It's a basic Schindler elevator. Laminate cab. It's a 2,100 pound capacity, very small for a newer building. Black paneling here and the silver here. I wonder if some of these have the 2014 style, the 2009 to 2014 style paneling where it's like ends here, the silver stuff. It's a weird one. How close is it not going to be yet?